Took a little doing. I got it back together. The second time seems to be harder than the first time. I don't know what it is. I get my handheld remote on this little bad boy, and to let you know it is working. Okay, and I had turned the power back off before I did all that. Then I turned the power back on. So now, because I turned the power back on, I got the smoke alarm to the house system turned back on because the green light's on. Okay, so now the only thing I have to do is reset that. I only have to reset this one, and we'll set all the ones in the house. All I have to do, and I went up and told my wife, she was already went to bed, because you can see it's already dark outside, you know, but I was able to do this because I had my construction light and stuff. All I have to do is press the button. That's it. Now we'll go through a cycle. I can hear the other ones in the house, and then it chirps at the end. The ones in the hallway just got done. Okay, that's all reset. Okay, that's all reset. The ceiling fan is on. Now the only way to turn the ceiling fan off is by my little remote control. Right? That's the only way. No wall switch, no nothing. And see, there you go. I get it turned back on for you. And I can turn it off. I think I just pressed the middle. You're just gonna have to mess around with it. I think you press the middle to get it turned back off, and you can dim the light. However, I mean, this is nice with the ceiling fan. The good thing about a ceiling fan is most of them come with light kits nowadays. You always want to get one with a light kit. Years ago, they came optional, and then you might have to purchase the light kit on top of that and have a separate light switch for the light kit on your wall. Maybe you only got one for the power, and then you have to do the pull chains or something. But see, if you have two wall switches, one for the light, if you had a pull chain ceiling fan, let's say, then you would you could pull the chain and leave it on, and then turn the wall switch off on for your light. Nowadays you don't have to do any of that kind of stuff, and with the LED, oh man, that's so nice. You know, gone are the days when your light bulb gets burned out and then you have to get just one bulb, incandescent light bulb on there and all that good stuff. Okay, so there you go. Mission accomplished. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm glad I got that figured out, and so did you.